And then when I went back home, I started writing the formal thing, and then we submitted and we started working. So the project is the network. We have a network for early childhood development. It involves all the development actors in Swaziland, those who are working on issues of young children. UNICEF supported us, and we had that meeting, and we started talking about early childhood, and then at some point we held a conference in Swaziland, a big conference. I think it was a huge conference, over 200 people, and it was opened by the Minister of Education. And then in that conference, the network, which is the Swaziland Network for Early Childhood Development, was launched. It was launched by the Deputy Prime Minister. So the Deputy Prime Minister is the fourth person in the ranking in the country, because there is a king, the Queen Mother, the Prime Minister, and the Deputy Prime Minister. So I think we were able to introduce the network and the work of the World Forum even to the highest authority in Swaziland. So that is something that we learned, that working together we're able to achieve, because you cannot achieve working in silos. There are many things that we want to do. We want to come up with our own curriculum as a country, but you cannot do that on your own. We want to come up with some models that we want to use as a country, but you cannot do that as an organization by your own, because if you do it, then it's your thing. It's not a national thing. It's not something that can be adopted by anybody anywhere. So I felt like bringing these people together, let's build the network. So we built the network, and then at some point we were able to formalize. We registered the network formally as a non-profit making organization, and last year we have been able to get support from the African Early Childhood Network, which we were also building at the same time when we were building our national network. I was also participating in the building of the African network. So we are now at the level where we have an office, we do have people that are working with us, and we are organized, and so has been a journey for me, because starting from where I was and seeing the need and seeing the people and everything, it was like, can it be done? And the World Forum has made it possible for us to come up with that network where we can come together.